Good morning, one and all. In today's lecture, we have to discuss the another concept of that basic concept of that stability, that is a time constant determination under the direct axis quadrature and the direct and the quadrature axis of the steady state, transient, or the subtransient conditions. Okay, so let us discuss the different times constant under the different types of stability. Okay, so the time constant during the transient conditions of the synchronous machine, the current and the voltage are generally the component having the magnitude which are changed according to the one or the more of the time constant. Means what? The time constant is nothing but the ratio of the two terminal, right, with open circuit or the short circuit of the any of the all of the constant parameter of the synchronous machine, which are generally calculated with respect to direct axis or with reference to short circuit, direct axis short circuit, or with reference to the direct axis subtransient condition or the quadrature axis time constant. So there is a different time constant under the synchronous machine are there during the transient or the subtransient condition. We will discuss all the uh, determination of the time constant one by one. Okay, so number one is that the uh, direct axis transient open circuit time constant, that is nothing but a TD0 dash. Okay, second is nothing but a short circuit, that is a TD dash. Third is nothing but a direct axis सब ट्रांसिएंट टाइम कांस्टेंट, पहले ट्रांसिएंट के ओपन सर्किट एंड शॉर्ट सर्किट इज दैट, थर्ड इज नथिंग बट द सब ट्रांसिएंट टाइम कांस्टेंट, दैट इज नथिंग बट TD0 double dash and the TD double dash. That same for the sub transient open circuit and the short circuit. Okay, and then is nothing but the quadrature axis terminals is there. The quadrature axis का क्या है? Open circuit के 2 आएंगे and second is but the quadrature axis, that is the quadrature axis and the sub transient के second is, that is open circuit quadrature axis quadrature axis transient open circuit time constant, that is nothing but a TQ0 dash and the TQ dash and the TQ0 double dash and the TQ double dash. That is for the direct axis open circuit under the transient condition, then the sub transient condition, and then is nothing but the quadrature axis transient condition and the quadrature axis subtransient condition. So there is nothing but the how many time constant is there? There is nothing but the 2 for the transient one, 2 for the quadrature or subtransient one, and the under the direct axis, and the third is and the quadrature axis. There is nothing but the 4 parameters, 4 time constant is there. So the total is nothing but there is nothing but the total 8 time constants are there under the transient condition or the sub-transient condition under the synchronous machine. We will finding out all the time constant one by one. So discuss the first is the direct axis transient open circuit time constant, that is a TD0 dash. Okay, so how to find out that? Whenever there is the armature is open circuit, there is a no change in the armature's winding, so there is only the field winding is there and it should be there remain unchanged or it should be not affected. So what is that case is that it is studied, but under this condition, when the armature is open circuited, the field current it should be the response to the sudden application. Means what? The field should be the changes with reference to the any change of the EMF or the removal or the sudden change of that field flux. Okay, by the field open circuit time constant or the direct axis transient open circuit time constant. So that direct axis transient open circuit time constant may also called is studied, but the field open circuit time constant, which is nothing but similar to that any simple RL circuit. We are able to write out that TD0 dash is equal to the LFF upon RF. It's nothing but just ratio of that, that is inductance upon resistance. Okay, self inductance upon the resistance of the field winding, whereas armature should be the open circuit. So this is nothing but the calculation, that is the formula for that. That is TD0 dash. TD0 dash is nothing but the field open circuit time constant or the direct axis transient open circuit time constant is there. Okay, what is the value of that? It's study, but the value of is generally greater than the any other time constant, which is having the value is generally the 2 to the 11 second, or with reference to the average is study, but the 6-second value is there of that. That is a TD0 dash. Okay, so let us move to the next time constant, that is study, but the direct axis ट्रांसिएंट शॉर्ट सर्किट टाइम कांस्टेंट. पहले अपन ने ओपन सर्किट देखा, अभी क्या है शॉर्ट सर्किट है. अब शॉर्ट सर्किट में क्या आएगा? field and the armature should be there and should be the close and the current in either direction induce the current in the other. Means what is the different mutual inductance is there and the self inductance is also there. Okay, so how we that two current having the not the same frequency. अब the same frequency नहीं है, so obviously that direct current in the field winding is associated with positive sequence in the armature winding, and the direct current in the armature is associated with the AC current in the field winding. Each current has a different time constant. Means what? जिसका direct current in the field winding is associated with the positive sequence in the AC current in the armature, and the armature current direct current in the armature it's associated with the AC current in the field winding. Okay, so it's a different mutual inductance is that phenomenon is there whenever there is a different short circuit of that field, and the armature circuit should be the close. Okay, so that one which govern the rate of change of direct current in the field and of the amplitude of the AC current in the armature field is called as direct axis transient time constant. Means what? Which govern the rate of change of the direct current in the field, direct of the rate of change of direct current in the field. Rate of change of direct current in the field means what? That is the rate of change of direct current in the field which is associated with the AC in the armature circuit. Okay, so the one which govern the direct current in the armature, it's associated with the field is associated with the armature time constant, or it's also called as field. Means what? Rate of change of field direct current in the field of the rate of change of direct current in the field associated with the field time constant, and the rate of change of the armature it's associated with the armature time constant. Okay, in terms of that ratio of that short circuit inductance of the field winding is associated with the XT double dash upon with reference to the XT. Means what? Inductance that is the open circuit inductance. We study about the short circuit inductance with reference to the open circuit inductance, while the resistance it should be the unchanged. Therefore, the ratio of the short circuit time constant to the open circuit time constant is equal to the ratio of the corresponding inductance. Just we have to reference with reference to that. That is a TD double dash is equal to the ratio of their inductance with reference to their short circuit. Okay, that is nothing but the TD dash is equal to the XT dash upon XT multiplied by TD0 dash. That is open circuit short circuit के साथ open circuit. Okay, that is the ratio of that direct axis transient short circuit time constant. That is a TD dash. What is the value of that? It is a value is nothing but the order of 1.5 second and the above. Okay, now the third time constant is nothing but the direct axis sub transient time constant. अब sub transient में एक तो उसका open type आएगा, second is nothing but the then short circuit type आएगी उसका. Okay, so the in the machine with the armature there is a direct axis of the rotor to couple circuit. Means what? Field and the armature winding should be there. Okay, so when the field and the armature winding is there, there is nothing but the two different they are having the different frequency. Whenever there is a different frequency, there is a two time constant. Two time constant means what? One for the armature and one for the field. Okay, the longer one is the transient time constant, the shorter one is the sub transient time constant. जितना ज़्यादा रहेगा, that is a longer time constant is that is a transient condition, that is a TD double dash, and the TD0 double dash is reference to the TD dash, and TD double dash is reference to the sub-transient kind of, but both the time constant are generally affected by the impedance of the armature circuit. Okay, so सबसे main in the armature circuit or in the sub-transient condition there is a different two axes is there, direct axis and the quadrature axis. Up to quadrature axis, the field and the armature winding is there. Whenever there is a field and the armature winding that are coupled with the that are with reference to the machine is there. Okay, there is a two type constant. One is a transient condition, second is a sub-transient time constant. Okay, both the time constant are generally affected by the change of the impedance of the armature circuit. If the armature circuit is open, the time constant have their open circuit values. That is TD0 and TD0 double dash. Means armature circuit जब open रहेगा तो time constant क्या रहेगा? Their open circuit value, that is TD0 dash and TD0 double dash. That is transient condition and the sub transient. But when the armature circuit is a short circuit रहेगा तो उसका value क्या हो जाएगा? TD dash and the TD double dash. What is the value of the open circuit condition? That is a 6 second for the transient condition, and the sub transient condition में उसका value आता है 0.125. means what? Higher for the value for the transient time constant, and short sub transient में उसका value क्या है? It's a very less as compared to the transient condition. Okay, Same for the, what is the value under the short circuit condition? That is a TD dash is equal to the 1.5 second, and whereas TD double dash is equal to 0.35 second, 0.035. Only the 2 cycles is there. Okay, so this is nothing but the direct axis sub transient time constant under the open circuit and the short circuit condition. It is having the values nothing but the 4 is that is a TD0 dash, TD TD0 dash and a TD0 double dash under the open circuit and under the short circuit. Okay, now the third, that is the quadrature axis. अब quadrature axis time constant आ गया. अभी तक अपन ने क्या देखा? सबसे पहले transient थे, then is nothing but the transient में open circuit, short circuit, and then is nothing but the direct axis sub transient देखा. That is the third is sub transient condition. Now the fourth is nothing but the quadrature axis time constant under the open circuit and under the short circuit of the transient and the sub transient condition. Okay, so the time constant of their exponential are is nothing but the TQ0 dash and the TQ0 when the armature circuit should be the open, and with short circuit it should be this nothing but the that is a TQ dash and the TD dash. Open circuit may that is a nomenclature O should be there, and whereas for the short circuit that O is not there. Okay, so the TQ dash and the TQ double dash, it's with reference to the short circuit. Okay, that is TQ dash and the TQ double dash are with reference to the short circuit, and the TQ0 dash and the TQ0 double dash are with reference to the that is open circuit. That is nothing but the short circuit. What is the value of that TQ double dash? It's very equal to the TD double dash, and it's equal to the 0.035 seconds. Okay, so this is nothing but the armature axis time constant under the open circuit and the short circuit of the transient condition and the sub transient condition. Now the armature short circuit time constant. अब armature short circuit time constant क्या है? This time constant generally applies on the direct current in the armature winding and to the AC current in the field winding, which are very close. So it's equal to the armature, that is nothing but the L upon R का ratio आएगा, that is inductance upon R. Okay, so the armature time constant is nothing but the L upon R A, which is equal to the x2 upon omega RA. Its value is not equal to 0.015 second, which is a short circuit on the armature terminal, which is generally shortened by the external resistance of that armature circuit. So there is not equal to total 8 types of that time constant are there. First is with reference to the transient condition, second is sub transient condition, and third is not equal to armature short circuit time constant. So with reference to the transient, there is an open circuit, short circuit is there, condition is there. Same for the sub transient, open circuit and the short circuit condition is there with reference to the direct axis and with reference to the quadrature axis. So this is nothing but the end of first unit. In next lecture, we will discuss the another in detail that detailed concept of that stability with reference to the unit number 2. Thank you so much.